greytHR's insurance page allows you to manage information related to employee insurance. From your greytHR admin login, navigate to the insurance page from the employee information section and select the employee to get started. Click on Add Insurance button to enter the insurance policy details such as insurance type, name of insured, relationship, insurance provider, etc. Click on the Save button to add the details to the database. You can view the summary on this page. Click on the Edit icon to modify the details. Click on the Delete icon to delete the details. Note, you can also upload the insurance details for multiple employees using the Excel import option and select employee insurance details in the Importer Type field. With that, we come to an end. Thank you for watching the greytHR How to video series.